Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox split screen on Xbox. Unfortunately, a common misconception is that Roblox offers a native split screen mode on Xbox, but this isn't the case. Roblox does not support split screen gameplay on any platform, including Xbox, PC, or PlayStation. To play with friends, each person will need their own Xbox console or device and a separate Roblox account. 2, 3, 7. You might wonder why split screen isn't a feature. The primary reason is Roblox's fundamental design as an online multiplayer platform. Its engine isn't built to render two separate camera views simultaneously on a single screen, which is essential for split screen. Furthermore, the vast majority of user-created experiences within Roblox are developed with online individual play in mind, not local couch co-op. 1, 2, 8. While true split screen isn't an option, you can still enjoy Roblox with friends. The most common method is for each player to use their own Xbox console and a unique Roblox account, then join the same game server online. Alternatively, a specific Roblox experience called Project Duo offers a form of split-screen co-op, but this is an exception, not a platform-wide feature. It's a unique game designed for two players. 4, 5, 6, 7. To summarize, Roblox on Xbox is designed for online multiplayer, where each player has their own screen and device. While the idea of split screen is appealing for local play, it's not a supported feature. Embrace the online aspect by having each friend log in on their own Xbox or compatible device, and then join the same game. This ensures everyone can enjoy the vast world of Roblox together. 2, 3, 7.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.